everyone. Today we are going to start chapter number 10, average, from book 5b and 5. So let's start with the definition. So the definition of average is the value obtained when the total values is divided by the numbers of data. Suppose we have three numbers like 3, 5, 7. We have these three different numbers. So we have to add the numbers. First we have to add the numbers, then after adding the numbers we have to divide the numbers with 1, 2, 3, the total sum of numbers. So we have total 3 numbers, so we are going to divide this 15 with 3, and the answer is 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15, so the answer is 5. This is average. So let's start solving the chapter. Page number 217. Number 3. The table shows the numbers of flight handled by an airport over 3 days in 2016. The days are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And the number of flights are 856, 924 and 968. So the formula to solve the average is average numbers of flight is equals to total number of flight, means these are the total numbers, and then number of days 1, 2, 3. So according to the formula, first we have to write the numbers 856, 924, 968. Now we have to add all the numbers. 856, 924, 968. 10 plus 8, 18. 6, 7, 8. 13 plus 1, 14. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 8, 26. 26 plus 1, 27. So the answer is 2748. Now we have to divide this 2748 with number of days, means 3 days. So we are going to divide this 2748 with 3. Here I am using a rough copy because we don't have extra space in the book. So let's divide. First we have the number 27. 3 9s are 27. Then we are going to write 4. 3 1s are 3, 1 remaining. Then we have 8. 3 6 are 18. So the answer is 916. It means that the average numbers of flight each day is 916. Number 4 is the table below shows the numbers of the people in each level in a primary school. Here is the table. What is the average number of people in each level? So here are the levels and here are the numbers of people. So to find the total number, first we have to add all the people. 300, 238, 195, 202, 246, 181. When we add all the numbers, we get the answer 1362. Now we have to divide this number with the number of days or with the total numbers of primary school given. So the total number of school 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we are going to divide this 1362 with 6. So the answer is 227. Let's divide 1362 with 6. 6 2s are 12. 1, 6 here. 6 2s are 12. 4, 2 here. 6 7s are 42. So the answer is 227. Page number 218. Here we have a question number. 6, which is a lift can carry 12 people with an average mass of 70. What is the greater loaded the lift can carry? Simply 70 multiplied by 12 is 840. Zinni saves an average of $21 each month. How much will she save in 1 year? 1 year means 12 months. So 21 multiplied by 12 is 252. Page number 219. A baker used 2800 of flour to bake some tray of cookies. He used an average of 700 gram of flour for each tray. How many trays of cookies did he bake? Simple 2800 divided by 700, because the baker cooks 2800 of flour to bake some cookies, and the average of the flour for each day is 700 grams. So we have to find that how many cookies he baked. To find that how many cookies he baked, we have to divide the numbers. So when we divide 2800 with 700, the answer is 4. Let's divide 2800 with 700. 7 fours are 28. We simply multiply the number with 7. 7 fours are 28 and 700 fours are 2800. So the answer is 4. Question number 10 is a graph. 4 children played a computer game and their score for the first level are shown in the graph. Here, Nora scores Zinni, Farhan and Bina. What is the average score of 4 children? First, we have to write the total numbers. So the total number of Nora is 58 because the gap between each number is 2. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So it means that Nora scores 58, Zinni scores 32, Farhan scores 46 and Bina scores 48. Now we have to add all the numbers. So the answer is 184. 184 divided by 4, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 184 divided by 4 is 46. Let's see. 184, 4. 4 4s are 16. 4, 2 here and 4, 24. 4 6 are 24. So the answer is 46. Here we have the question on page number 220. We have to add all the numbers and we get the answer 115.5. We have to add the temperatures. Now we have to find the sum of temperature from Monday to Friday. So to find the sum, we have to multiply. To find the average, we have to divide. 5 multiplied by 29.0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So 5 multiplied by 29.0 is 145. Now we have to subtract temperature on Friday. Temperature on Friday is 145. Here is the temperature on Friday. 145 minus all the temperatures from Sunday to Thursday. 115.5. When we subtract the numbers, we get the answer 29.5. Here we have the solution. Like how we can subtract, we simply have to write 145 and then 115.5. Now we have to add a 0 to match the numbers. As we all know that we cannot subtract 0 from 5, so we are going to take the borrow and we are using the same subtraction method and write the answer. Page number 222. Here we have 6 questions. The table shows the amount of money Bala saved from January to March. What was the average monthly saving? I have only written the answer. Let's find 8 plus 10 plus 15. 8 plus 10 plus 15 is 8 15 plus 10 is 25. 25 plus 8 is 33. Now 33 divided by 1 2 3. 33 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. So the answer is 11. Number 2. What is the average daily temperature for 5 days? So the average is 30.5. Let's find out the average. First we have to add all the numbers. So we have to add the numbers. 30 plus 30, 60. And this 31 and 29, 60. 60 plus 60, 120. 120 plus 33 is 153. Now we have to divide this 153 with these 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 153 divided by 5. 5 3s are 15. Now we have to take this 3 here. But we cannot subtract this 3 from 5. So we are going to take a decimal point. We have already taken the number here. So first we have to add a 0. Then point. And then 0 here. 5 6 30. So here the answer is 30.6 degree. Now again, Mrs. Ali bought 5 different dresses. The average cost of each dress was 43.60. How much did Mrs. Ali pay for the 5 dresses? Here we have to simply multiply 43.60 with 5. So we get the answer $218. Here we have Anne drinks an average of 1.8 liters of water a day. How much water does she drink in 30 days? So 1.8 multiplied by 30. The answer is 54 liters. The total mass of some honeydews is 54 kg. Each honeydew has an average mass of 3 kg. How many honeydews are there? Now we have to find the honeydews. So we have to divide 54 divided by 3. So we get the answer 18. Question number 6. The average mass of 5 girls is 40 kg. When a 6th girl joined them, the average weight become 39.8. What is the mass of the 6th girl? So first we have to multiply these two numbers. Here I have write the complete explanation. 40 multiplied by 5 is 200. So it means that the average mass of 6 girls is 200 kg. Now we just have to find the 6th girl. The total 6th girl is 200, but we have to find only 6. Now we have to multiply 39.8 with 6. This 39.8. 39.8 with 6. 39.8 multiplied by 6 is 238.8. Now we have to subtract 238.8 with this 200. So the answer is 38.8. It means that the mass of 6th girl is 38.8 kg. So now we are going to start chapter number 10 average in book 5B. First write your name, class and date. Sam bought 4 slices of cake of different flavor. The table shows the amount he spent on each slice. So here are the flavors and here are the amount or cost. For the chocolate slice, the cost is $4.90. Strawberry 5.45, green tea 6.80, black forest 6.65. What was the cost of each slice of cake? To find the cost of each slice of cake, first we have to add all the numbers. 4.90, 5.45, 6.65, 6.80 and 6.65. we can simply add 4.90, 5.45, 6.80, 6.65. We can add with two numbers, like first we have to add these two, then we have to add these two, or we can add all the numbers together. So 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 1 and 0. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 8, 22, and 22 plus 6 is 28. 8 here and 2 on the next number. 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 5, 23. 23 point, because 23 is a complete number, so we cannot add any kind of decimal point here. 23.80. 23.80 is the total. Now we have to find the average. To find the average, we have to divide the total numbers with the total flavors. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 23.80 divided by 4. 23.80 divided by 4 is 4 5s are 23. Then we are going to use this point at upper side. 8. 4 9s are 36. 2 and then this 0. 4 5s are 20. So the answer is 5.95. It means that the average cost of each slice is 5.95. Number 2 is the average mass of 9 boys is 50 kg. What is their total mass? So this is the average mass. When we have to find the total from the average, we always multiply the number. So 50 multiplied by 9 is 450, because 9 5s are 45 and 9 zeros are 0. Here we have the cost of a present was shared among 4 friends. The average amount of per person paid was $13.50. How much did the present cost? So when we have the average, we always multiply the number to find the total cost. So 13.50 multiplied by 4 is 54. Let's see. 13.50. 4 zeros are 0, 4 5s are 20, 4 3s are 12, 13 14, 4 1s are 4, plus 1 5, 54.00. Here we have Farhan spent an average of 10 second answer each question in a quiz. There were 20 questions in the quiz. How many seconds did Farhan spend completely on the quiz? Simple. 10 multiplied by 20, 200 seconds. Tom used some jars to contain 5250 ml of water. The average amount of water in the jar was 750. How many jars did he use? To find that how many jars we use, it means the total number of water is given. The total amount is also given. So we have to divide the numbers. When we divide 750 with 5250, the answer is 7. Page number 49. Here we have to write the answer by using this graph. The graph shows the numbers of participants for each class in a sport tournament. 5A, B, C and D. What is the average number of participants from the class? So the average number is from 5A, we have 13 because the gap is 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12, 13. 13, then 5B, 11. 13, 11, 5C, 8, 5D, 16. So we have to add all the numbers. So the answer is 48. 48 is the total number, and the average of this total number is 48 divided by 4, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 48 divided by 4 is 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the average answer, the average number of participants from the class 4 classes is 12. The average height of 5 children is 165 centimeter. Another child who is 135 centimeter tall joined the children. What is the average height of the 6 children now? So 165 multiplied by 5, because this is the height of 5 children. 165 multiplied by 5 is 825. 825 plus 135, because this is the height of 5 children, and the last child height is 135. So 825 plus 135 is 960. You have to make the rough work so you can easily find the answers that these are correct. 960 divided by 6, because what is the average height of 6 children? 6 children, it means we have to divide the total number with 6. 960 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6, 3, 6, 6 6 are 36, and 0 will goes here. So the answer is 160. Number 8 is the total cost of 15 books and 12 pen is $202.50. The average cost of the 12 pen is 3.50. What is the average cost of 15 books? 3.50 multiplied by 12. 3.50 multiplied by 12. So the answer is 42. Now we have to subtract this 42, the amount of 12 pens, from the total amount of books and pen. So let's subtract 50, 4, 2 point. We have to add 0. So we can easily subtract 0 minus 0, 0, 5, then 2 minus 2, 0. We cannot subtract 0 and 4. So 10 minus 4, 6, and 1 same. So the answer is 160.50. 160.50 divided by 15, because we have 15 books and we have to find the cost of average of 15 books. So now we have to subtract this 160.50 with 15, because we have to find the cost of 15 books. Let's subtract 160.50 with 15. So 15 tens are 150. 10 remaining. Then we are going to add this point here and this 5 here. 105. 15 sevens are 105. And then we are going to take this 0 here. So the answer is 10.70. Now here we have the question. 8 children read a total of 210 books in a year. After adding the number of books read by the 9th child, the average numbers of book reading is 29. How many books did the 9th child read? Simple. 29 multiplied by 9. 29 multiplied by 9, because it is 9th children and he reads the book 29. So the answer is 261. 261 minus 210 is 51. It means that the 9th child read 51 books. Page number 51. Here we have the average of 6 number is 65. The average of 5 number is 72. Find the 6th number. 6th number is 65. 65 multiplied by 6 is 390. 5 number is 72. 72 multiplied by 5 is 360. Now we have to subtract these two numbers. 390 minus 360 is 30. So the 6th number is, because we have the average and we have to find the number, that what is the 6th number. So the 6th number is 30. Number 11. The table shows the number of pastries sold in 4 shops. Shop A, B, C and D. Number of pastries 38, 25, 32, 21. So we have to add all the pastries. 38, 25, 32, 21 is 116. Now we have to divide these with the total number of shops. 1, 2, 3, 4. 116 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. 3 and then 6. 4 9s are 36. So the answer is 29. Page number 52. Siri arranged 6 plants in increasing order of height as shown. As you can see, after measuring and record the heights of the plants, she noticed that the difference between each plant and the plant beside it was always 2 cm. She also calculated that the average height of 6 plants was 25 cm. Find the height of the shortest plant, means this one, the shortest. 25 multiplied by 6, because 25 is the average height of 6 plant. So 25 multiplied by 6 is 150. It means the total height of 6 plants is 150. 150 minus 2, because we have, so the average height of each plant increases is 2 cm. This is already measured. So from the next is 2 cm, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now we have to subtract all this centimeters from 150, the total number. 150 minus 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is 120. 10, 10 and 10. So 150 minus 30 is 120. Now 120 divided by 6 is 20. The answer, find the height of shortest plant. The height of the shortest plant is 20 cm. Review of the chapter 10. The table shows the number of awards a school collected over 4 years. In 2012, the school collected 10 awards, 2013, 11, 2014, 14, 2015, 17. What was the average numbers of award each year collected? So first we have to add the numbers. The total numbers are 52. Now we have to subtract this 52 with 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 13. It means the average numbers of award collected each year is 13. The amount of money 3 food stores collected over 3 days are shown in the table. Here you can see which store collect the highest average amount of the money over 3 days. So first we have to add all these numbers. 692. Then we have to add the amount in B stores. 691. Then number C, 652. Which store collect the highest average amount of money over 3 days? So now we have to find the average of each. It means we have to divide each with 1, 2, 3. So after adding all the numbers, we have to divide all numbers with 3. Divided by 3, because we have total 3, divided by 3 and divided by 3. Now after dividing, we have the answers. You can divide these numbers on the rough page, because we don't have enough space here to solve. So I have just written the answers. So the highest average is 232, because it is 230, 217. So 232 is highest. It means the answer is A. Page number 54, last page of chapter average. Again we have the bar graph. The bar graph shows the number of stalks of flowers a florist sold over 5 days. Wednesday, Thursday, all the days are here, and other stalks. Find the average numbers of stalks of flowers sold each day. On Wednesday, 17, because the gap between is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it means the gap is 1. 17, 33, 59, 55 and 21. Now we have to add all the numbers. The answer is 185. 185 divided by 5, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 185 divided by 5 is 5 3s are 15, 3 and 5, 5 7s are 35. So the answer is 37. Number 3. 3 boys spend an average of 3.20 each. 3 boys and 2 girls spend an average of $3.50 each. How much did the 2 girls spend in all? Simple. 3.20 multiplied by 3. 3.20 multiplied by 3. 3 boys. 9.60. 3.50 multiplied by 5, because 3 boys and then 2 girls. 5. 17.50. 17.50 minus 9.60. So the answer is 7.90. It means that 2 girls spent 7.90. So this is the complete explanation of chapter number 5, average.